Got to be careful. All right, yep, we're going to have some talkers here, I bet. All right, Baydon Ketts here, leaving at 10:12 a.m. Baydon Ketts, there's some of the lead dogs, some of the handlers. Let's go ahead and zoom back out for you guys. There we go.
Be good.
We got some singers right there. All right, there's Baydon's team in the chute here, getting ready to blast out. Good conditions, friends. Okay, 3, 2, 1, here he goes. Here we go. They're driving out. There goes Baydon. Look at that. Nice looking team, friends. Great conditions right now. Cold morning here, 10:12 a.m. Alaska time. Solstice was just after midnight. So we have made it through our longest night of the year, as have you, wherever you are in the world, hopefully. Tonight will be about the same length, but going forward, it's going to get that much